Well, tomorrow is a really, really, really big day for my little girl, my Rosa, my ladybird. My baby daughter is getting married tomorrow. What a precious, special, life-changing event for her. It's hard for a dad to give away, watch his little girl go, but the good part about this is that I know finally, she's happy. She's found the man of her dreams. She has a family that she loves and that loves her back. I'm proud of her and I'm happy for her. So I want to let her know that her dad is always here for both of them. Any advice, any help, any prayer, anything I can do along their journey, my wife and I would be more than happy. Don't hesitate to call, to stop by, to let us know. I'm with you every step of the way, baby girl. God bless your marriage. God bless your family. I know you'll make a good wife, and I believe you have a good husband that you're marrying tomorrow. And I'll have a son, another son. That's a blessing. It's a blessing to have family that you can love and depend on. So this tape, this video, is to both of you. From Dad, from Pop. I love you both. I know everything's going to be all right. Just put God in the midst of your love. Don't let others, no one, interfere, come in between you both. Always talk it out. Never go to bed angry at each other. Work together equally. And as I said, put God first, put Jesus first, and everything else is going to fall right into place. Work hard at your marriage. Be friends, remain dating, remain having fun. And I'll see you all at the altar tomorrow. Have a wonderful night. I love you both. Here's my gift to you. I hope you enjoy. Peace.